Hey guys, this is a journey I had to share. We decided to travel outside the Philippines, me and Christine. So we started the process for visa for her because since she is a Filipino, it gets a bit complicated traveling outside the country. So we made sure that we had all of the right documents. The moment we got everything ready, we had to go either to Cebu or to Manila for the DFA stamping and a lot of visa stuff. So we decided to go to take the Cebu option since we don't need to catch a flight. Anyway, in Cebu, we went to DFA straight away. After waiting for 2 hours, it was our turn. We showed everything, and they told us that PSA Bacolod had instructed us and given us the wrong documents. So we traveled all the way from here to Cebu for nothing. Now, we had to go to PSA Cebu. I'm not going to come here again. As soon as we arrived there, we immediately got no help and told us to make an appointment 1 week in advance. We begged them to make an exception and explained that we can't. We came all this way to process, and we were far away. Christine was almost crying at that point. They just made reasons and reasons. When I decided to step in, I immediately got a rude answer and some discrimination and threatening words, which I can't mention here. I was really shocked. I mean, I love this country, and I always say that, but this time I got really shocked. Obviously, I will try to defend myself. I can't allow discrimination, so I try to negotiate and stuff, but no negotiation at all. I treat foreigners with respect in my country, so I expect that locals here treat me with respect. I'm not asking much, just respect. Not you can't because you are foreigner, you think that you are something special. No, I don't think that I am something special, no. I just came here and asked you that it's your error, because it's not our fault, it's their error. They made us go all the way to Cebu for nothing. Anyway, because I wrote everything here, so I don't miss a thing. This time I was being discriminated myself, and it felt very bad. Very bad. But aside from that, don't worry. I don't let one person push me away. I still love the country. I will just ignore close-minded people and beliefs. They mean nothing to me, honestly. The sad part is that it cost 5,000 pesos for this trip for nothing, and we got denied. We got nothing from it. I didn't even get content for my YouTube channel because I was busy doing all this processing stuff for nothing. All they needed to do was just stamp. Just 2 seconds, 10 seconds, stamp, ready. And instead I got discrimination. I can't understand. I urge foreigners, please go to Manila. You'll get a better outcome than Cebu. Talking from experience, I don't want to get no foreigner discriminated. I'm not talking, okay, there are those few people, yes, they discriminate people. I don't let one I don't judge people by one close-minded person. Never. For all the Cebu people, please don't get offended. I mean, no. This means... I mean no harm or no disrespect. Cebu is still one of my favorite places, and it will always be. It will never change. As you know, Bantayan Island is my favorite. It's in Cebu, so I just wanted to share this and make things clear. I still love Cebu, yes, but some people need, they need a leash, because it's too much. Why discrimination? That's all. I love you, Cebu. I don't like some close-minded people on it, but I still love you, Cebu. Thanks. Bye. And I almost forgot. If you are not a subscriber, please subscribe. I edit and upload videos not every day, but almost every day. We do travel vlogs, home vlogs, drone footage, and funny videos too. So you will never get bored with us. Hit that notification bell and stay tuned. See you. Bye.